dick.
Then we'll switch to that maybe.
Okay, so we need to do something first. We need to talk about something before they come through on their first battle pass. We need to come through. We need to come up with something to talk about. It's a battle pass.
I hate animated. Anyway.
Okay, so
we need to figure out what we're gonna do in the first conversation.
Dude,
we got
before to do zombies.
That's right. Okay, we'll do zombies in the first part.
Yeah.
I saw this really good movie last night.
Oh yeah.
Had really good character development. You know, a deep emotional struggle for basic survival. You know, a zombie movie. We'll start off and be like, dude, I saw the best movie last night.
And I'm like, whoa, what'd you see?
I saw a movie last night, but it wasn't much better than that. Basically about a bunch of giant robots and girls.
What's the opposite of Megan Fox?
She doesn't have those friends.
Philip Seymour Hoffman.
Rosie O'Donnell.
Then robot conversation. Giant.
We need to be writing this down.
Yes, we do.
Really.
We brought stuff.
okay, I just wanted to do this anyway.
We're not going to say the Z word.
Okay.
No Z word.
Reanimated corpses.
Okay. Reanimated corpse impromptu dialogue, take one.
I really don't want to go see a movie that's just going to be CG and scam.
Should it have blue cat people in it?
Well, actually, movies like that are actually just like Twinkies, man. It's like they're popular. Some parts are kind of sweet. Some parts are downright enjoyable. But by the end of it, you're just going to feel unfulfilled. You know, in the end, you just aren't satisfied like you thought you were going to be in the beginning.
That's what she said.
Noted.
What's wrong with you?
Who's your dad? It's impossible.
Flashlights.
And we have flashlights to battle
Cool.
Who they?
with.
Saw a good movie last night.
Oh yeah?
Good character for the man.
Bring it, big boy. We might need to choreograph that, actually.
Yeah.
I really don't think we're getting this filmed today. Yeah. This is one reason why I don't think we're getting it filmed today. Oh man, it's gonna be tough to keep my face straight when it's those. Oh god.
I know.
Oh, that's funny. I gotta watch this.
Let's go.
Go about your business.
Should we even show them until they go through in front of this?
Go to the dark side.
You should do like one of these.
All right, here's my question.
Hey, where's that other guy?
Yeah, what did happen to him? You know, if he was born in like 1958, he would be much older than that.
All right, whatever. I was throwing it out there.
None of us are mathematicians, clearly.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Black glove.
We have lettuce, you know.
We have unfinished business.